Good morning, student of class 6. I am your Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the discussion about the exercise question answer of geography chapter 3 water bodies of the earth. Okay, chapter number 3 water bodies of the earth. As all of you know that uh, I would provide all the question answer as a PDF, uh, and you can easily download the PDF from YouTube description. And I hope that all of you have already written and learned the previous exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay, so let's start today's discussion. Here you can see I already have discussed about the fill in the blanks, exercise fill in the blanks. Next is multiple choice question. Next is give reason for the following. Next is answer in brief up to what are short legs, give two example of short legs. Okay, today I am going to start from complete the table. Okay, here you can see the complete the table. So here you can see name of the rivers and source and mouth. Here you can see the different rivers. uh, First is Nile. Okay, its source is Central Africa and the mouth is Mediterranean Sea. Next is Amazon, Andes in Peru. Okay, and this mouth is Atlantic Ocean. Next is Ganga, Gangotri Glacier, and its mouth is Bay of Bengal. Next is Huanghe, Bayanhar Mountain and Gulf of Wai. All of you need to write this table on your copy. Okay, exercise geography copy. All of you need to write this table. Okay, so next is answer in details. Okay, this is the broad question. Answer in details. Name the oceans of the world. Okay, name the oceans of the world and briefly describe each. Okay, briefly describe it. That means हम लोग को सभी जो ओशंस है उसके नाम लिखना है और उसको ब्रीफली डिस्क्राइब करना है. यार यू कैन सी ऑल द ओशन इज पैसिफिक ओशन, अटलांटिक ओशन, इंडियन ओशन, the southern ocean and arctic ocean. Here you can see first is pacific ocean, atlantic ocean, indian ocean, southern ocean, arctic ocean. In my previous video I already have discussed about these oceans. Okay, so all of you need to write this question on your geography copy. Okay, next is water sea, differentiate between the different kinds of sea. Or we all know that the two types of sea, marginal seas and inland seas. Marginal seas are large shallow bodies of water lie along the margin of continents, and the inland seas are the completely surrounded by the landmass. This is the main difference between these two seas. Okay, so next is explain the importance of ocean and seas. We all know that in various purpose the sea is very important. Sea and ocean is very important in human life. Ocean and seas influence the world climate and weather patterns by absorbing the heat from the sun and transferring to colder parts of the earth. That means जो ocean and suns होता है, ocean और seas होता है, क्या करता है कि जो heat है, sun का जो heat है वो absorb करता है, वो colder part में transfer करता है. In my previous video I already have discussed about all the things. Okay, here you can see other importance of ocean and seas. Next is water lakes, describe how the different kinds of lakes are formed. Here you can see the cattle lakes are formed with the shallow waters of rainwater. Okay, rainwater, the cattle lakes are formed by the rainwater. Next is caldera lake, forms when water collects in the craters and the caldera left behind after a volcanic eruption. How caldera lakes is formed. Okay, next is oxbow lake, the meander cuts off from the main river, then the oxbow lake is formed. Then rift lakes, when water collects from the rift valley depression caused by the subsidence of the earth crust. Okay, next is salt lakes, landlocked bodies of water high content of dissolved minerals. Okay, this is how the salt lake were formed. Next is write a note about the important rivers. We all know that rivers are the very important part of our human life. Okay, next is here you can see when the fresh water down from a highland within a clearly defined channel, it is termed a river. Okay, next is during the rains river overflows and floods its banks. This is how we can easily doing our agriculture. Okay, next is most of the ancient civilization were river valley civilization. That means जो पहले पहले ज़माने में जो civilization होता था वो river based होता था. Okay, these are the main thing about rivers. Next is importance of rivers. We all know that the rivers are considered to be the lifeless of human civilization. Next is dam builds over help to generate hydroelectric power. Okay, these are the importance of rivers. All of you need to write this question answer on your copy. Next is what are the cause of water pollution, how can be curbed. That means this question is very very important. Okay, water pollution, all water pollution are मेन रीज़न बिहाइंड ह्यूमन बींग्स. ओके, हम लोगों के वजह से ही वाटर पॉल्यूशन ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है. ओके, वाटर बॉडीज ऑफ गेट पॉपुलेटेड एट रिजल्ट ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी. ओके, जैसमीन दैट मीन्स जो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी है उससे ही हम लोग जो वाटर पॉल्यूशन है वो दिन ब दिन बढ़ता जा रहा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज़ commercial activity in ocean and rivers that cause oil spills. Okay, these are the reason behind the water pollution. Next is methods of control water pollution. All waste human agriculture industries should be treated to remove the toxic substance. Okay, toxic substance before this डिस्चार्ज इनटू द वाटर बॉडीज़. दैट मीन्स जो केमिकल फैक्ट्री से निकलता है उससे जो टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस है उसको अलग करके उसके बाद ही जो वेस्ट है उसको नदी में फेंकना है. नहीं तो क्या होता है कि वाटर पोल्यूशन हो जाता है. ओके, एंड public awareness. Okay, public awareness about the harmful effects of water pollution should be increased. That means हम लोगों को जो ह्यूमन बींग है उन लोगों में वाटर पॉल्यूशन का जो अवेयरनेस है उसको ज़्यादा फैलाना है ताकि वाटर पॉल्यूशन कम हो. ओके, दिस इज़ द मेन methods to control water pollution. Okay, so this is the total question of exercise. Okay, exercise is completed and now all of you need to download this PDF and write the question answer and also learn the question answer on your geography copy, and also read the book carefully. Okay, also read the book carefully for better understanding. I always told that they read the book carefully for proper understanding the chapter or the topic. Okay, so no more today. I am ending my discussion here. I will start a new chapter in my next video. So till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.